Okay, so as you can see, I suffer from alopecia, so I'm just brushing my hair, and I'm going to be using this rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil by Miel. I put this in my hair pretty much every other day. This helps with hair growth and strengthens my hair and edges. As you can see, I suffer from alopecia. I'm very thin in the top of my head and the edges and bald around the sides. So now what I'm doing is just getting my hair prepared for the crochet braids. I usually braid about 10 to 12 thin braids. What I would recommend is if you can take some braiding hair when you have thin hair, it just helps act as a better shelf for the crochet. Now I'm taking the AFRO Marley twists that I picked up from my local beauty supply in the color number 4. This hair was discontinued, so I got it really cheap. So I mean, I'm not going to go through how to crochet. There are a lot of tutorials out there on YouTube on how to crochet your hair. So this is what I do. I'm just spacing them out probably about a finger to 2 fingers apart because the braids are super thick. And I actually purchased 5 packs of hair. So as far as how full you want your hair to be when you finish this is up to you. I think the next time I do this style, I will probably go down to 4 packs, but it is a personal preference. As you can see the spaces that I kind of leave in between. You really don't need to put these close together at all. Some of them I use my fingers once I loop it through my hair, and some of them I can use the end of the crochet and pull it through. It just depends. Sometimes it snags at the top and it's just easier for me sometimes to pull it through with my fingers. This time it worked a little bit, and I just go between both. This hairstyle is super simple. The hardest part of the hairstyle is just braiding the hair down. That usually takes me about half an hour, and the rest of the style takes me about an hour to do. And I'm just, going through and spacing it out and, letting you see just the different areas and how I space them out. So that's about it. Just be gentle on your hair. I'm very gentle, especially in the front. That's where my hair is thin the most. So it may look like I'm putting tension on it, but I'm actually not putting very much. And I don't double tie. That's my husband. He's just letting me know that I have some gaps in the back, which I know to fill in. Now I'm going towards the front and just showing you how I bring it up on the front of my hair, and be very gentle right here because that's my problem area, which is in the front, and I'm trying to savor what I have left. But yeah, this is about it. This hairstyle is so cute. I love the Marley braid, and I think I will definitely be trying this hairstyle again. This is the back, and you can see in the back as I pull the braids apart that they're still spaced out. And this is just me showing you how you can pull the hairstyle back. So right now I have it pulled back because I'm using this Cream of Nature black edge control with, the argan edge control, and I am not good with doing my edges, so I just go ahead and slick everything on back. That's about as good as I'm gonna get. And this is the final look. It is so cute. I love it, love it, love it. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.